If you are using the capability Teach Operation Sets to store your best practice machining operations, you will soon find that the number of permutations you must teach becomes very large. In the example part shown here, you see 8 different counterbore geometries. The yellow faces are chamfers that may or may not be modeled. In a model-based definition approach, when there is no human interpretation, this also means the chamfers are machined when modeled and not machined when not modeled. Imagine you have your own sequence of operations for a specific counterbore hole and you want to store that for later reuse. It starts with spot drilling, followed by drilling through. Then the counterbore is created using a counterboring operation. Then there's chamfering of the smaller diameter, chamfer milling of the larger diameter, and finally there's a counter sinking of the bottom. The operations are under a feature group with a descriptive name, so we can teach them to NXCAM. We teach without any application criteria or tool sizes, since these do not matter for the example. Now let us reuse these operations on the full part. The chamfers have a yellow color. That is just to make the visualization more clear and does not play any role. Since there are 3 chamfers that may or may not be modeled, this means we needed 8 features to cover all possibilities. So first we delete the operations that we already had. Then we select all 8 different counterbore holes and execute Create Feature Process. Select Operation Set Based and select the operations that we just taught. OK. As a result, we get a single feature group with all counterbores in it. We generate the toolpath. The first 3 operations, that's the spot drilling, the drill and the counterbore, work on all 8 features. But the chamfering operations work only on features that actually have the chamfer. Features that have no chamfer are skipped by the operation. Observe, we have 3 chamfering operations since they are all necessary for the selected counterbores. Now we are going to apply our taught operations on a counterbore that has no modeled chamfers at all. Again, we delete the operations that we already have and select only the left counterbore hole, Create Feature Process, and select the operations that we taught previously. As a result, we get a single feature group with only 1 feature in it. Since no chamfering operation is necessary for this feature, we only get the first 3 operations and no chamfering. To recap, in this video we have seen that you can reduce the number of operation sets to teach. Only teach the set with the maximum number of operations. In the example shown here, you need to teach only 1 set instead of 8 sets. The feature-based operations will skip the features that do not have the machining area. And when there is not a single feature with the machining area, then the operation is discarded completely. Thank you for watching.